Hey everyone, this is Rajendran from Market Calls, and in this video, we're gonna look into one of the most important fearful factor which is happening right now. The US-Iran tensions, which is going on, which is installing fear among the traders and investors community. So we're gonna look into what we can learn from fear, especially the sentiment is getting extreme and the markets are reacting to that. So currently, I'm just gonna open my screen. My Twitter feed is completely filled with the US and Iran tensions, where the oil is spiking over by 3.5. So what happened today here is that there was a there was an missile which has been sent from Iran, and so it has been sent to attack the US air base, especially the US Air Forces in Iraq are under missile attack from Iran. So these are the news feeds which you've been hearing in today's market opening. I guess today's market opening going to be mostly going to be a bit more volatile and more fearful because it's bringing more among more fear among the people, more among the media channels. Media channels are going to talk a lot about today's market activity, and that's going to bring extreme emotions. In fact, the ESBNI, the US market index futures, it had dropped 33 points at this point of time. Little trading down below the 3,200 at this point of time. There was a huge drop which is coming in, and which is more or less uh, reacting to that. Markets are immediately reacting to that missile attacks. And in fact, the Twitter feeds are, if I go to my home page, you can see that Twitter feed has been completely filled with Iran attacks and probably the ballistic missile attacks, which has been sent from Iran to Iraq in US airbase. So the Twitter feed is completely filled with that. If I go to the gold at this point of time, let me go and check the gold, Euro USD, XAU USD. So the gold spikes to 15,000, 1,595, and so there was a strong fear which is there. Same the commodities like crude as well. Crude has been spiked to approximately 65. There is a vertical spike coming in once that Iran has sent its missiles, right? So I guess this is going to bring huge volatility in the markets, in our Indian markets. And I also posted my view about this US-Iran tensions, how it installs fear among the traders and investors. You can find the link about what I'm thinking about the markets and what we can learn from the fear down below the comment section. Just go there, down there, and click on the link and just you can you can get to know what I'm thinking about the markets at this point of time. So I'll be keep on posting my observation about the ongoing tensions and how things are shaping up when it comes to the markets, how the extreme fear is getting transferred to the markets, and is there any shock observer moments which we can see at the market opens, or how the global markets are going to react. I'm going to study each and everything, and I'll be sharing my observation in the YouTube channel. Thank you once again. We'll see you soon. Thank you.